Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to let's do a quick review on Builder AI. Let's do a quick review on Builder AI. Now this is Builder AI. They say they make building an app so easy that anyone can do it. That's their claim. It is your vision, your software, but they'll help you build it. So we build it together. No technology needed. Or AI means we can build more cost effectively, and at speed. Your own dedicated expert is with you at every step, is what they claim. Let's see. And get free demo, or you can see pricing and plans. What brands like these leading brands also use Builder AI. Now, you can see it was voted one of the top 3 most innovative companies in AI in 2023. It has lots of if you want to use it, for example, you say your business needs what? The word business needs, type it here. What type of app does it need? Maybe a new app to start selling online, to outsource development, to manage their cloud service and reduce cost, to see how the app works. Anything you need it for, put it here. So you can see, if you want to learn more, click on any of them. Now, how does it work? You chat with the AI. The AI is called Natasha. This is Hi Natasha. This is Natasha. She's the AI product manager. So you chat with her, and then you get a fixed price and accurate timings. You meet your own dedicated expert. The AI assembles your app features like a Lego set, and features are customized by human specialists, and your app is ready in 6 simple steps. You get the app you need. If you want to speak to an expert, you can click here. If you want to learn how to build the software, you can click here to get more information. Don't forget, you don't need any tech knowledge at all. You get speed and simplicity of a no-code app builder, but at the same time get technical certification that a development shop can deliver. So they've got it covered. Builder AI can create any app you can imagine to your exact specification. AI helps build your project quicker and more cost effectively. How they use AI, you can click here to know. Now, customer success that starts before your app is built. What do they mean? At Builder AI, their product managers are called productologists. When they build your apps, you will meet with the productologists once a week, where you can collaborate with and contact them at any time via your all-in-one project dashboard Builder Home. This helps to ensure that the final product looks just like your original app idea. So you can learn how they compare too. What type of mobile apps can you build or develop using Builder AI? You can see you can build different types. You have financial, for education, retail, healthcare, apps for those, and so much more. If you want to view, you can view more industries here. So it's an app platform for every type of business, entrepreneur, small businesses, and enterprise business. You can use Builder AI. If you have any questions, you can read the frequently asked questions, or you can ask the AI Natasha. So hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget that you get a lot of products from this. You get Builder Studio, you get Studio One, and you get Builder Cloud. It can be used by everyone. As an app builder, e-commerce, web2 app, business tool, so many things you can get from it. So what are you waiting for? Give Builder AI a try today. Don't forget, you kind of have to. There's a pricing involved. Let's see what the pricing is about. They believe that if you only pay for what you need for app development, that's why you won't find price lists on their site. Instead, they have a fully transparent, feature-based pricing model, no hidden fees, no nasty surprises. So when you explain your idea, Natasha will make choosing features simple, and then she'll choose the speed, and then you can now know your price. So the price are just according to the speed and features you choose. So that's it. See you in the next video. Bye.